Oh, the necessary evil. If you managed to have a good look around the stunningly well executed rebuild here at Beach Hop, you too would have fully thought to yourself, this'll be top car this year. Making top 5 for the Sunday prize giving session was a no-brainer for this ride really. Kim and Todd's creation here is simply stunning. The finish and detailing with all the intricate custom and refinishing of the original parts is superbly done here. The 40s auto styling fully accentuated with a metal flake paint, pinstriping and gloss blue paint finish is just beautiful. The white leather interior fully showing off the chrome and stainless trims encased within the blue dash and the door tops. The blue piping on the upholstery ties it all together perfectly. The boot didn't get left alone either. The same attention to detailing and finish created a whole new look for this 40s automobile. The white steely wheels with white wool tyres taking it right back to their American graffiti days, completing the styling of the era and that cruiser look parked outside the American diner or a drive-in movie. The matching pedal car in the boot there, belonging to the next generation, is Kennedy's. This is also taken out top award at Beach Hop, winning the top rod show back in 2015. So it appears the youngsters taught the oldies how to do it in this case. This necessary evil isn't just a show car either. The Speeder gets a fair few miles ticked over on the clock. With all the cruising around the country and different shows and events it gets to, the whole family is keen to drive the wheels off this thing and just get amongst it. The name is quite fitting really, as we all know when we start tinkering with these old cars, some things just need to be done, either rebuilding or repainting. Either way, it becomes that necessary evil that starts the whole rebuild off, and where it goes from there, no one can determine until it stops. But when you have cars in your blood like this family, they are just that, and it's a pretty cool way though.